Yeah, man, from here, the voice, you don't know, our Bones there represent for Sandy and Bones TV. You don't know if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the TV. You see it for future upload, to get you right as a drop. And you don't know, you can follow me on Instagram at Sandy and Bones TV. You see it. Yeah, man, but this morning, you don't know, Dewey drop him look a video, say, yo, in big woman at 40 and next one at 30. You see it. And you don't know, Queenie, they are give thanks for your achievement where she things where she achieve in her life and things where she go through said speed, you see it with she and her kids them, you see it. And she there break down in tears said speed, you see it. She talk about Rochelle. I mean I don't know if she missed Dewey or why, you see me. And we have that video forwarding up because we forward now the video right now.
To the UK. Yes, so Pangy, you're in the liquor collection. Sandy and Bones, you're in a liquor collection as well. So all of my friends are give me a liquor. I want them give me a liquor, I write them name and eat it. I like a sticker and put them name and put it down. So I'm Mr. Ryan crazy. Yes, I will mega have the liquor annunciation all 3 years time just argument here. I'm mega Sandy and Bones in by me this way. Mr. Starboy for life. Hey, I love that drink you took back. I say I carried from Jamaica and I carried come from Jamaica you know, from last year and from I get it for my birthday, you know. Like Mr. BJ, this is a special birthday present from Ricardo. And BJ like that thing about the drink. And when me I kill up myself about the excitement, say me I do liquor collection. And BJ say you don't remember the drinks? I say what drink man? Come here, I've been drinking my Jamaica and give them Ciroc. No Ciroc. Me not have one Ciroc. Empty Ciroc back in my hand. Love Queenie for. But you have to start from somewhere, that's the thing. So, let me show you something. A good way of getting I look at them quick, pretty pizza all over. What's up? Pretty pizza all over, but pretty a lie. So the excitement about the liquor tree, you know you have to start, you have to creep before you walk. So empty bottle, empty. May I make sure I tell them I said empty before I want to tell me. So this is the Imperial and this are the Quart. And then this are the Imperial mini flask. And then this are the next one. So I have all of the sizes from them. But I go buy the one them with the juice in it, like how this one have juice. These are just a souvenir, just to show you the idea for the time being. So if you're gonna donate to my liquor collection, this is where the exclusive bit down here, son. Lot of thing there in that dummy. Yeah. Empty back up. I don't want to empty back up promise up with them, but just have to keep them for now. So it's by the time I get the real deal them now. When I say, alright. Aisha, I see you earlier on. Can you donate to my liquor collection, please? But I have to even say please. I know you gotta say to me. Yes, that's my next. I love Queenie. Right, Queenie, tell me if I have an ego and a bus or something. So I stay. When I say I want something, I have everything needs necessary. Yeah. Come see your nail get long. Queenie, okay. Beyonce, I'm fine. What's your style? Listen, I know that my talk about now. Don't worry, Queenie. Blessing are coming your way. Thank you, darling. I have 24 hours, my bless. And you know what? Dry crystal, my peaceful, my joyful, my happyful, I'm grateful. So I got blessed. He's already blessed me. And it's so ironic. You see, since Rush died, I ever got a urge really to house. It's like a part of my gone with Rush. I know this new home just bring back so much highlights to the family, to me and my kids and my grandbabies. I know beautiful. A day don't pass. When somebody talk about Roro, yes to them, say, Mom to his mom. Say, Mom, I miss Roro when she's coming back, you know? And I said, yes, your auntie Ghana, everybody, should I come back and stuff, But that family band over have as Nasali said, Mommy, as rough as and terrible as it is, growing a fat. And I showed the unity with me and my kids them and towards them one another is priceless, Somebody said, look how you get them big and the whole of them did they stay away with you. That's the band we have as a family. We share with we have a little confrontation. The night now end with it. I'm a proud of my kids as rough as terrible as me is. I'm just the band we have towards each other. And the memories and the joys that we used to have with Rochelle, like Rochelle is a stitch in our dad image. London is the same. Like when I study them, the thing I went to, I said, you're really Rochelle father. London, you're really Rochelle sister. And the little chance we get now. Remember 2 years ago, Rochelle did it and it shake up the family, God, he knows how we pull through because there's a God. Alright, crazy. It's so we see people them come with not even them reach our airport. When we see them coming at the house and not say, Rara house. Rara always so say she go buy house a truth. Rara take over everything. No, ma'am, don't set it that way. Put it this way, ma'am. That look better the way the gangster. Gangster, you must have fixed it, so. I see this world just bring back all. Cause I'm a shell dead, man, I do know. Christmas. Like when I cook every Sunday, part of my God. And it's such a blessing to come. Set up the place to the pit of them from start to finish. It's beautiful, It's a different everything I buy it surrounded Rochelle. The flowers there, I buy the sunflower. I give God thanks. Why are you crying, Queenie? Queenie fool! I give God thanks. After 2 years, I'm telling you what I love. I feel about myself. I get up this morning, I fry plantain, eggs, sausage, I cook porridge, Them get them peanut porridge, I get them animal porridge, who want oats porridge, who want caramel porridge, everybody get them one delight. I'm just asleep, so it's just nice. It just bring back the time when I miss my penis. Hey, that's how I look up. What's up, I put up a picture right here, so as you come in, you're going to see a picture, We're going to R.I.P. Alright, crazies, I never know the day that come back when I feel back like I have a home. True. Me not the house of England. Me not care, me not cook nothing. Me just lie down in the house, go on TikTok if I want go on TikTok if I go roll. The proper housekeeping where every Sunday we change the sheet. Them things if I'm up in the dead, me not do. If I'm up in the dead, me don't even fucking cook. God bless when I cook. And for see me get by that urge, I'm going to market. I'm just a shop. I'm just a cook. I don't know how I cook. Rush, you died. And you took a part of me. And as your father's terrible as me is, I did don't fucking pass. Why am I crying? And that way I come emotional, So I'm all about my pinna, man. See, life are crazy. You see, when someone died, you'll never see them back as you know. And a dead man tell no tears. And sometime in our life, we have people who are alive, kicking, healthy, and wealth, and them not acknowledge you. So it's when somebody dead and gone and can't tell no tears, you have to cherish all of those moments. I'm glad I can come sit and say to myself, when my child died, she did with a part of me. It's all I'm going to take the clothes off for the line. Rachel's press her spread. Rachel is very neat and OCD. All I'm pity them OCD. All them papa super OCD. What I will say, sir. Rachel, she pressed the bed, she pressed. I put my sheet on the bed. I said, she said, Mom, let me press it. You're not putting it on the bed like that. She just spread it. So you see them little things, them little band there, all of that is gone. You see me take up the clothes off and let me just throw them in a wardrobe. Now the strength drive crazy. Color coordinate. Like if I put things in my closet, I put all of the pink color them there, so the top them, all of them yellow, they so blue. Blouse to blouse, top to top, shorts to short. That's how I grow them in it. Right, crazy if I pin it there. The whole of that gone. Me just, you see me take the clothes out of the machine, me just fling them in the wardrobe or fling them around the balcony. What kind of money could naughty corner, what I call junk corner, when I don't have time for them, I'm put them in the naughty corner and cover them up. I'm say from that girl dead, me can't get back the strength for coordinate my thing them. Alright, I'm crazy to ask if I don't get it now. So everything takes time, you know, everything is a healing process. Regardless, may I get out with my life. Regardless, may I get out with my life, there's some pines where you have that pressure point and you remember back here, I drive, I remember road and it hits you. Yes, a bumble clot. No, hit it back. That's balance it. You were depressed. Always in the game, in the darling, to God be the glory, great things they have done. This my message to Nas. Remember New Year's Day when I feed the dog them on I some puppy. You know being me. Nothing planned. Everybody said this and said that and I say see from New Year's Day I just have this peacefulness in my soul. When I say I plant the seed, I mean I made nobody get the best I made for 2024. You see the peace within my heart and the joy in my soul. You see the freedom of my spirit is priceless. Right, crazy, and I'm ungrateful. I shock. I can't believe that. I'm so peaceful, you know. I'm so joyful. I was so happy. I'm shocked. This is just in that summer, you know. When we go through August, September, October, November, we go through to the right crazy. I wonder how I can smile and feel so peaceful. It's like I accept it, but I say, Queenie, really? Is this too good to be true, you know? God is amazing. We think I'll 2-3 year time, but I still feel hope. True. Right now, it puzzle me. I say, Queenie, you sure you're all right? Wake up, woman. I know because this too shall pass. After time, there must be a calm. So it's like, you know, I deserve it in the right crazies. But it's like me, I look for some bad happen to me. I can't believe that, you know. I forbid that I send it back to the pit of hell, but some feeling like the way I feel good now, I look for something. I said, I can't believe we reach back to civilization. You know? But everything is for a moment of time. You know? God is amazing. I guess I decided I would cook. What's a treat for breakfast? And they say I'm a cook and I have to come take the food, you know. If I'm sure the food has something with me. If I'm sure the food you have to come for food, I say, wow, come take up in a bomber clad food. I'm not ready. So you remember share it out if you're not ready. Come take up the food. But it's such a nice buzz. Here's one pancake, Raleigh one porridge, London one fried plant. Everybody wants something different, you know. It's a nice family moment. I just want to tell you, I give God gratitude for feeling back myself. I was there, you know, after Rora died, but all of them little moments I get back now. You know, especially that I like that mat, they will buy that my first picture free. You ready for food? What you got food in it? Jesus, nice. Bro, trust me, you're with the family. I'm proud of my family. Them stand firm. Roger, big up your damn self. But Mr. Roger put him sister big tattoo on the man. Mr. Roger, how much hours them take for do that? Him say 6.5 hours, man. Mr. Bumba Clark, him shock the family. Roger not really talking on and I see him on internet because him not like the internet. And him always. You know, you see when I see that, I see how it take a toll for my son. I'm sure my expression in the tattoo. I say 6 hours hard. And nobody never tell nobody say I do the tattoo. You know, everybody in our family is shocked, you know. Everybody in our family is shocked. You see, Roger, get up and put on him sister tattoo and this big tattoo in him sister face. And I said to him, Daddy, say, Roland, it touched a pin of them and about true happy spirit out my still like nobody not soaking a sorrow. But even though we're not soaking a sorrow, it take a toll on them. You love me here? Lord God. Thank you. But like somebody put the door and God bless my mom. We have a nice family. But love when my daughter said to me, so mommy, you know, so as rough as it is and bagger, you know, grow in violence. You grow with loving for sure livers. I'm feel very princess of to me, you see. I chose. I mean, I don't like the pig. Because I went like, this morning I wake up after 7. I mean, just wake up everybody. I never tell me what, I say wake up on holiday and I never, what the fuck? Wake!
Big woman a fancy, but I wanna talk to nine so me for cat.
Big woman hour.
Catch you love the bun with his bitch. I little check. Me 26 if you fuck it, I'm ready. Me 21, the way me choose, you know me an artist. Fucking I get something I can't, I'm in a work around this. Me 27, see me, I go that in my bank. Yeah, lower that in my bank. Can I carry no kick and skip?
Hey, we charge boss, eh? One bumbo clock charge, man, I know. That's a code. Hey, me I say no man, you know about this come down, man, you know. One Yardy Records, one production, you know, that's a code. Hey, me I say no man, you deaf, one charge boss, one uptown, you know. Fully code. That is it.
Say if you're active, you can